you want to learn how to use the painter tool in Google Document, then this video tutorial is for you. I'm on the Google Documents file and my productive morning routine. So basically, what this is the paint format tool. This is it. You know, it looks like a brush, right? Like a rolling brush, right? So what it allows us to do is that it allows us to copy the style of an existing text to another text. So for example, now my productive morning routine, which is the header or which is the heading of this document, is bold. It's in bold, right? So what we want to do is that we want to bold the first bullet item here, which is wake up at 5 a.m. without needing to click on the bold icon here. So what we can do is that we can extract the bold feature here and copy it onto this first bullet item. For us to do that, we have to highlight the first expression here like this. Then we can now click on paint format. We click on it. Then once you remove it, your cursor will change to a roller brush like this. You can now highlight where you want that properties to be copied on. Then just remove your mouse, and as you can see, it has successfully bold the first bullet item in this document. So that's basically how you use the paint format feature in Google Document. If you find this tutorial helpful, ensure you subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next episode. Thank you.